Okay, so our last code along. Shall we finish the carbon footprint? I think we could get there actually, but if not, we'll finish it up in the discussion and share our project outputs. Okay, so copy week 6. This should become rote by now, but it doesn't because it does change some of these later weeks, but into week 17 private. Okay, then commit it. And now you're watching this one. So go ahead and attempt the consider how much waste you produce. This one pretty straightforward. Didn't see anything really different there. I ended up implementing that same concept with pulling the points values out of the selects, but you can approach it whichever way you want it. Okay, so do that, then commit with my code for waste. And now I want you to consider the next to the last one, which is this one, which is to identify the amount of waste you recycle. So where we looked at waste before, now we look at how much you recycle. So if you do not recycle, then you add 24 points to your score. However, if you do recycle, then you start with 24 points and you subtract 4 points for each type. So here's our types, right? Okay, so in this case, it's a little different than what we've done before. And, this is where you could definitely start thinking about how, this is problem solving. Here's my problem, right? Or here's my challenge, consider it a problem, that I need to implement HTML, JavaScript to solve. How do I do that? And I'll tell you on this particular one, I spent a little time really thinking about this one because I thought about the different approaches I could take. I went to chat ultimately after I'd given it some thought, and chat gave me great advice, and which I will show you before I show you the solution next. But part of this is learning how to ask good questions, right? Or how, I don't want to say good, but how to just frame them, how to give it a good boundary, how to give it, the more precise you are, the better your answer is going to be. I'm not saying I'm good at this. I'm definitely learning as well. So that's your challenge. Create a markdown file, name it whatever you want, and write the solution you think would work best. Now you're welcome to attempt your solution as well. I definitely think that's fun. Right? I forgot to put a commit message here. I'll do that. And then in the next video, I'm going to cover the solution for this one. Pretty straightforward, but then I'll talk about what I ended up implementing here for the amount of waste you recycle. All right. Pick you up on the next one.